G'day, I'm Gary Mays, and I'm here to solve your urinal problems. Do you think your urinals stink? Do your male toilets have that distinctive odour? Then I guarantee your urinals are not serviced correctly. The reality is all urinals require regular maintenance and servicing. Urinal servicing is not cleaning. Urinal servicing is not the bogus deep clean service promoted by hygiene companies. We are specialists in maintaining public toilet facilities correctly and hygienically, providing an odor-free experience for your employees and clients. Despite the claims made by many cleaning and hygiene companies, it is illegal for them to undertake any maintenance or servicing work on urinals, apart from cleaning them. Our licensed plumbers, unlike cleaners, are trained to undertake urinal maintenance. Servicing urinals requires specialized equipment, specialized training, specialized diagnostic skills, and an awareness of health and safety issues. With Whywait, you can breathe easily and say goodbye to blocked urinals and nasty odors with our professional urinal maintenance service. Contact me today to organize a urinal servicing proposal. We will undertake an on-site assessment of all your public toilets. We are urinal servicing specialists, and we guarantee our maintenance and servicing solutions will solve your problems. We are the experts who are legally licensed to service your urinals. Choose Whywait and consider it done.